Sometimes if you use the different waters on the machine, when you change back to the Kangen water, it will tell you notice of cleaning. If you have this type of model, every 15 liters, it would give you a notification to clean the machine. As well, if you use the strong acidic water, the minute you press the Kangen water, it actually wants to clean the machine. What you need to do at this stage is simply open the tap, start your tap, and run the water for about 30 seconds. It will tell you when it's going back to Kangen, and when it goes back to Kangen, that's the time when you can start using the water. So anytime the machine beeps and makes the sound, that means the water is not for drinking and it's actually cleaning, or it's a different type of water for other uses, but it's not for drinking. So you need to wait for this beeping sound to stop and for the green button to stop blinking as well. So now you can see that it says Kangen water, it stopped blinking. That's a perfect time to start using the machine for drinking. That's all. Change your water, change your life.